In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best oscilloscope with multimeters available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the oscilloscope with multimeters mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, ZEEWEII DSO3D12, 3-in-1 Oscilloscope Multimeter. The ZEEWEII DSO3D12 is a versatile 3-in-1 device combining an oscilloscope, multimeter, and waveform generator. It features a real-time sampling rate of 250 ms/s and an equivalent sample rate of up to 500 m, ensuring accurate measurements. With 14 measurement options, including frequency and peak-to-peak, it supports XY mode and has a rise time of less than 3 nanoseconds. Fast calibration and a high-precision multimeter make it a reliable tool for electronics professionals. Number 4, OWON HDS2202S Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The OWON HDS2202S is a portable 200 MHz digital oscilloscope ideal for outdoor electrical testing. It features a 3.5-inch high-resolution color LCD, providing clear data visualization. Powered by a rechargeable 18,650 lithium battery, it delivers up to 6 hours of continuous use. The USB Type-C interface ensures fast and easy data transfer. Designed for precision and durability, this handheld oscilloscope is perfect for professionals needing reliable field measurements. Number 3, FNIRSI 2C53T, 3-in-1 Oscilloscope, Multimeter Signal Gen. The FNIRSI 2C53T is an advanced 3-in-1 tool featuring an oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator. It boasts a high-speed 250 ms/s sampling rate, a 50 MHz bandwidth, and a peak voltage measurement of ± 400 V. Equipped with a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers up to 6 hours of standby time. Dual ceramic fuse protection enhances safety, making it ideal for professionals and electronics enthusiasts seeking precision and versatility in one compact device. Number 2, BSIDE ZT702S, Oscilloscope Multimeter Combo. The BSIDE ZT702S is a compact and efficient oscilloscope multimeter combo with a real-time sampling rate of 48 ms/s. Featuring a 2.8-inch IPS color LCD, it ensures clear and accurate readings. The rechargeable 18650 battery provides long-lasting performance. It includes auto-calibration and a memory function, making it a user-friendly choice for DIY electronics and professional troubleshooting. Its affordability and reliability make it a great tool for electrical work. Number 1, Tooltop ET829, 80 MHz Digital Storage Oscilloscope. The Tooltop ET829 is an 80 MHz digital storage oscilloscope designed for auto and power maintenance. It features a 250 ms/s real-time sampling rate and a 2.8-inch TFT color screen with an adjustable backlight. With the ability to store 2,000 groups of data, it offers excellent data analysis capabilities. Powered by 2 rechargeable 18,650 lithium batteries, it ensures long-lasting use. Ideal for professionals, this oscilloscope delivers accuracy and efficiency in electrical diagnostics.